In the last lecture, we've seen how to read the entire content of a file as a string using the read method. The read method can also be used to tell Python to read only a number of characters from the file and return that many characters, not the entire content of the file. You can do this by entering an integer in between parentheses. Let's read only the first 5 characters of the file. This is the text file I am reading, and I'll execute the Python script. We can see how it read and printed out only the first 5 characters. Now, let's read and print out another 3 characters. f.read and 3 between parentheses. Print content. We see how it read and printed out the next 3 characters after the first 5 characters. These 3 characters. Somehow, Python memorized the position where it left inside the file after calling the first read method. This is where the concept of cursor comes into play. The cursor is the position at which you are currently located inside the file. We can get this position by calling the tell method of any file object. Print f.tell. And we see that the cursor is at position 8. If we want to move to a specific position inside the file, we use another method called seek. This method takes in as argument the number of characters from the beginning of the file at which the cursor will be positioned. Let's move the cursor to position 2 and then read 3 more characters. f.seek of 2. I've moved the cursor at position 2. And now print f.read of 3. I am reading 3 characters. This is position 2, and these are those 3 characters that it will read. So stn. Let's execute the script. And we see how it read and printed out exactly those 3 characters. So starting from position 2. If we want to move at the beginning of the file, we move the cursor to position 0. f.seek of 0. Now the cursor is at the beginning of the file. printf.read of 1. Let's check it out. And it printed out age, a lowercase h. Of course, this is the first character.